I was scrolling on Etsy and saw this really cool triangle book stand, and I thought, could I probably build this out of Lego myself? I ran straight to my brick sorting drawers. But then I realized I don't think I have even the right pieces to make one of these book stands. Let me check in this one. Too colorful. Right, I think I've got plan B. I have so many Lego sets already built and sitting on a shelf. Maybe I could use any of these Lego sets I already own and turn it into book stand. What about these flowers? Are they suitable as a book stand? No, obviously flowers can't hold books well. They kind of can, but it just looks a bit silly. Maybe I could just leave the book like that. It's not exciting. I have better idea. I will use Max, my oversized minifigure. Ooh, check it out. Not bad. I can also do like this. Oh, I like this idea. And what about the other hand? Oh, let me try. Yep. Wow, I like it. Max, you're very strong. Next, I have this idea. So far, this is my favorite, and Max likes it too. But I need something that looks like a triangle, something that is strong and can hold my book. And I think A-frame cabin is perfect for this task. From now on, this is not just a set, this is also a book stand. When I pick up my book next time, I know exactly where I was reading. It also works as a bookmark. If you have A-frame cabin in your collection, you could try this too, see if it works with your books. I will be back soon with something new.